fellow makeup lovers, how are you doing today? So I'm super excited for this video because it's going to be a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. Honestly, I just sat down, I really wanted to play. I got the new festival palette from Juvia's place. I already did like a first impression swatches video of this, which I can link down below in case you're interested. But I wanted to use every single color in the palette and I just wanted to do something different and something fun. I feel like it's been a little while since I did something super colorful and this just speaks to me. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So I'm starting off with the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer and I'm just using that to prime my eyelids, and I'm just going to pat that in with my finger since the warmth of my finger really helps blend it in and create a smooth, even canvas for eyeshadow application. Now I'm going into the RCMA No Color Powder and I'm just using that translucent powder to set the concealer since this concealer does crease. Now I'm taking the shade Oro, and this is like a golden mustard brown type shade, and I'm just applying that into my crease and blending, keeping this really soft. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some tape real quick because I want that for today's look, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the shade Ofala, which is a nice matte orange, and I'm just using a precise crease brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this very pigmentedly first and worry about blending later. So I'm just starting in my outer V and then working towards my inner corner. Now I'm going in with very soft motion, no extra product, and just blending above and trying to take away any harsh lines. Now I'm taking the shade Izafa and a very tiny little crease brush, and I'm just starting in the outer V and then working my way into the inner corner again. This shade is very similar to the previous shade as far as how dark it is. It's just a little bit more red, so they blend into each other very easily. Then I'm going in with the previous brush and just blending, making sure there's no harsh lines at all. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that concealer again and I'm going to cut my crease. Honestly, this is something I struggle with, so I'm trying to practice as much as possible, but I'm just starting off in the middle to kind of get like the height of the cut crease that I want to have and where I want it to end, and then I'm slowly working my way into the inner corner and then slowly working my way to the outer V, trying to get a nice shape, but it is the struggle. Now I'm taking the shade Kiliki, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this onto the outer V and the inner V. The inner corner, I mean, and I'm just applying that. It looks really beautiful, super pigmented, and you can really see when I applied it how it has such a nice like green undertone to it. So I'm just being very careful to stay within the lines that I created. Now I'm going into the shade ABBA, and I'm going to use that on the middle of my lid and blend it into the previous shade. Again, super pigmented, just so beautiful, and I'm just being very careful as I work my way up. That way I stay within those lines. Now I'm taking the shade Odogwu, and I'm using this just to add a little bit of highlight onto the very center of the look. This is a gold shade, but mixed with the others, it looks a little bit more green and it looks really pretty. I was kind of getting like earthy vibes from the way this eyeshadow was looking, but I'm just slowly working that up and just keeping the majority of the pigment in the middle of the eye and then tapping outwards. I'm just going to go ahead and create a quick wing. Taking the tape off real quick, you can see how nice it looks. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation and concealer and powder off camera, and now I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer just to lightly bronze up my skin, add a little bit of extra dimension. Now I'm going into the Milani blush, and I believe this is like Bella Bellissima or something close to that, and I'm just using this as a very neutral, well, it's not very neutral, but it's not super dark or pigmented, so it looks very soft on me, which is the look that I was going for. And then I'm taking the white highlight shade from the palette, and I'm using this as my highlight today, and it was stunning, so pigmented, so beautiful, and this texture did not look bad at all. It actually looked super nice as a highlighter, so I really loved how that turned out, and I will definitely use it as a highlighter in the future. With the Eerie G shade, this is just a nice matte pink, and I'm using a super like dense flat eyeliner brush just to pack that onto my lower lash line. I'm sorry for not zooming in closer so you could really see what was happening, but I'm just packing that shade on. And then I'm going into the shade Minwoo, and this is just a nice peach shade, and I'm blending underneath the lower lash line with that. Now I'm going in with Uli, that white highlight shade, and I'm just highlighting my inner corner. Really packing this on because I love a bright inner corner highlight. And then I'm also going to go ahead and highlight underneath my brow bones. Then I'm just going to go ahead and do some quick eyeliner and mascara just to finish off the eyes. You can use whatever you have. Now I'm going in with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Oh Snap, and I'm just lining my lips a little bit, and then I did fill them just lightly. And then I'm going in with the Fenty Glow lip gloss over that, which is such a beautiful, beautiful lip gloss. And my friend keeps telling me to try this combo, so I went ahead and added the Juvia lip topper in the shade Skinny Dip on top of that, and it was very, very beautiful. I love how the lip topper just added a little bit of extra something to the lip gloss. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!